Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to solve how to fix Samsung incoming call screen not displayed issue. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix Samsung incoming call screen not displayed problem with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your Samsung Galaxy phone. Rebooting your Samsung phone troubleshoots all the small niggles that you face. To do this, press and hold the power button until a menu appears. Select Restart. Wait for the device to restart. Solution 2. Enable notifications for the phone app. Understandably, this option is enabled by default for the phone app. If you had disabled it or an OS update changed the setting, it's time to enable the notifications for the phone app. To do so, identify the phone app icon on the home screen or lock screen. Long press on it and open the app info menu. Go to Notifications and enable call notifications for your Galaxy phone. Solution 3. Clear phone app cache. If you get dozens of phone calls every day, you should clear the phone app cache occasionally. For this, long press on the phone app icon and open the app info menu. From Usage, select Storage and tap on Clear Cache at the bottom. Solution 4. Enable caller information. The next solution is to enable caller information so that the phone can display profile picture, show contacts phone number and other extra details like when you last talked, important dates and more. To do so, head to Phone Settings on your Samsung phone, check the steps above. Scroll to Caller Information. Enable the toggle beside Show Contacts Phone Numbers and Show Extra Details. Solution 5. Change Call Display. Samsung uses the default Android API to showcase incoming call pop-ups at the top. The call pop-up doesn't work all the time, and you won't see incoming calls on your phone. You can change the call display from pop-up to full screen. Follow the steps below. Open the phone app and go to Settings. Scroll to the call display while using the apps menu. Select full screen from the following menu and you are done. Solution 6. Factory reset your Samsung device. Factory reset is often effective in fixing software-related or display problems. If the main reason for this issue is due to a glitch in the software, and not hardware, factory reset will most likely help in this regard. But, before you begin, it is recommended to create a backup. For this, open the settings on your Samsung phone. Then go to the General Management. Click on the Backup and Reset. At this time, tap on the Erase All Data option. Finally, click on the Delete All Data button. After doing this, restart your phone. Now, check if the incoming calls not showing issue is resolved. Solution 7. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve Samsung-related problems, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair Tool. Besides this issue, it can fix other Android system errors and issues easily. To try this software, click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about solving how to fix Samsung incoming call screen not displayed issue. If you found this video useful, then give it a like and subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.